Take a look at this. Check out this line. No prices whatsoever.
O de una vez está el refri.
¿Neta?
Okay, you see what's going on there? When you see a line like this, you feel so lucky that you got to the front of it and you got to pay for your beer and your chips and your trail mix. You don't dare look at the price. When he says $32.86, you push that credit card over and happy as a lark to get the hell out of here. You got your beer and your trail mix. And then tomorrow, you'll get online and complain about it because you didn't ask for the price. And nobody can ask for the price tonight because there's a line. Imagine trying to ask for the price right now. How about going in there and say, hey, excuse me, ma'am, how much is this? She would absolutely not even look up. She's got 12 people in line. Everyone's gonna pay without saying a damn word. They want $15 for this 25-ounce beer? Well, that's what it is, you know? And it was $12 this morning. Dynamic pricing. It's such a scam. Just plan ahead. Try to plan ahead. There's an AM PM right across the street. You can stock your room. Way, way cheaper.